sitting in the house today. I didn't feel like being in there, so taking a trip to Kings Pinnacle, get some views, enjoy life. At the end of the day, I think self-preservation and self-happiness is all that matters. And you definitely need some alone time. Alone time is great for yourself in the woods. It's good to get some energy, and mountain energy is like one of my favorites. I'm either here or the beach, so bring you guys with me. Hopefully you're enjoying the experience. Have fun. Coming to the mountains is so therapeutic because sometimes it's a struggle. If you haven't worked out in a while, life-wise, if you haven't exercised who you are. And climbing mountains help you realize that in a not the real way. This is something that does it for me. We all have certain challenges that keep us stuck where we want to be in life, and we don't know how to overcome them. And this is the perfect place to do the overcoming. And silence is when you become one with yourself, because you think about everything that you need to do in life to succeed without any distraction. So this is always therapeutic, and I recommend anybody who's going through something or trying to overcome a certain lag in their creativity or life, try a mountain. It helps you breathe, it helps you inhale, and it's also good for your spirit. So there's that nugget. Sometimes in life you want to give up because you're not going where you want to be fast enough. But you have to realize if you keep going, you'll get there. It's okay to go slow. It's okay to take a break. But we almost there. It's that last step. It's gonna punch it. At the end of the day, it's all about reaching your goals and achieving the things that you said you wouldn't do and you couldn't do. And when you do, the views are so much better. So this concludes the rest of the trip. It's a great journey to find peace and find my mountain. I'm gonna start saying that, find your mountain. It's a saying that the hardest thing to overcome is yourself and your willpower. And you telling yourself that you can't and actually pushing yourself to do it. So I implore you to not die and not slip, but find your mountain. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. Press subscribe, press like, comment, let me know what your mountain is. I wanna be able to understand more people and learn about everybody. So thank you for watching. Peace.